You clean that lot up, blood.
We need a camera to get a picture of him, though. Stay there.
He's got to get out of the snow now.
Ah, no, we gotta get a picture of him yet.
You gonna do it again?
Has John got his camera there?
Hey, come show that to the camera.
Just running down my bum. Eureka! We're just about around the back. Ah. As they say in Canada, shoot. This is heavy work.
Get him move.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's great.
He's gonna be all wet.
21-year-old kid. Oh, dear.
Probably my feet will go out from under me. Now to get up. Oh, sugar me timbers.